Madam.
Madam Ivan.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa... Parang ano... Bakit?
Pakulay ko yung type.
Pero at least nilabanan mo kami ngayon.
Dito wala pang makeup. Bare face.
Bare face ba yan? Bare face?
Nasaan tayo? So, ay,
Newport.
Newport.
Yeah.
Nakababa na naman ng mga junggoy na sa mundo. Hindi mo naman si Imana.
Ay,
Kami na-edge ko. Na-edge ko.
Hindi mo si Madam. Ito nga ano talaga. Ay, manager.
From Leyte.
Mamager.
ay, nag-ano na ako. Nag-follow na ako. Mamaya, ibang pa din ako.
Oh, ayan po ang bit ni Madam.
Sana tayo, inaantay na tayo.
And si Perlita. Fresh lang. Hilar. Tis ganda. Uy, mga inday.
All the way from
Late.
Leyte. Nagpas lang.
Ay, itong bongga is lit. Ay, lakas makasyala dyan, ma. Para tayo nasa Singapore.
Sa Newport. Ikaw pa ba nakakapunta here?
First time mga na dito. Huwag ka eme-eme.
Ay, pupunta kami ng Teresa dito.
Ay, SB muna kayo tayo, Madam. Coffee. Ay, no. O, tapos na tayo mag-SB. Sa Burol.
Hindi ko alam kung saan. Magtanong kaya tayo.
Third floor daw eh. Next pa. Ayun o, nakalagay yung new fort. Doon pa sa third pa. Second pa lang to eh. Ay, ganyan na lang.
Confession.
Ay, madali ka kayo.
Magkatalikod kayo. So baka ang beso pero magkatalikod kayo, madam.
So later na guys. Okay. Kasi nagmamadali na kami dahil mag-start na yung competition ni Juan Kyle.
Excited na ako makita si Kuya Sean.
At sana manalo.
Mananali. Pag ilali si Kuya Sean ay magpapakain yan.
Paano pag hindi?
Siya ang mismong kakain eh.
Think may time pa.
Oo, kaya siya. Gusto mo ba? Not-giving kasi suot ni Madam eh.
Ay, ako pala.
Ikaw na nga bumili.
Lahat na lang ng ano, binang nyo na. Ang gaganda.
Ganyan kasi sobrang lapit namin sa stage.
Akala ko naman yung...
Sorry.
Ayun na. Kaibigan mo na ilang taon, no?
Nakapunta na pala kami dito. Pinaalala sa akin ni Andrew. Ito yung picture. Nung pumunta kami dito.
Moduray-day. Moduray-day.
Anong meron nun?
Yun yung ano.
Basta pang, ano rin siya,
International pageant siya. Iba't ibang bansa. Tapos pinag-dress kami ni Madam Ellie.
naka-heels pa kami doon,
Oo.
Madam. At mga duray-day pa kami that time.
Ngayon,
Classy and
Pinag-gown
sassy
kami
and slay.
noon. Ni Madam Ellie. Tapos
Pero-
yun naka-t-shirt.
layo kang kayo. Pero at least...
Bling, bling, bling.
Go kayo siya!
Wala pa. Wala pa.
Basta ganun practice ha.
Kailangan, uy, Merl, dapat...
Quezon, di ba Quezon? May turotot na akong dala eh.
Ha?
May turotot na.
Ay, may.
Di yan turotot, turon yan, turon.
Buti na lang talaga si Andrew nakapagdaral ng tambol. Talagang...
Si Pearl yan, be.
Ah, si Pearl ba?
Ako to na yun. At pag sumigaw tayo, tapos nangamoy utot yung buong
Babot nyo bumili tayo popcorn. Bawal ba pagkain?
Bawal
Meron na ba?
Bawal naman.
Feeling ko, no, huwag na tayong kumain na lang. Mahal. Para kung tita na ano, hindi ko maintindihan. Ay, thank you kay Mami Joey. Kay Mami Joey galing ko.
Ganda.
Follow ko.
Bagay sa'yo yung mga ganyan, madam. Very 2013 na game.
Ano, wait lang guys. Wait lang. Mag-update na tayo sa friend natin na nandito na tayo kasi nag-aalala na baka wala daw tagang ligaw. Mag-i-start na kasi ano, andyan na yung Josh.
Welcome to the grandest celebration of purpose, excellence, and modern Filipino masculinity. Tonight, one exceptional man will begin his journey to represent the Philippines on the global stage. Live from the Newport Performing Arts Theater, this is Mr. World Philippines 2026.
Ang hina ng boses nyo!
ba, ano panoorin si Kesha Angel kasi di ba host talaga siya.
Oo.
Tapos ngayon candidate naman siya.
First time niya, umali.
Feel ko nga gigil na gigil din siya.
Magpapapirma ako kay Kuya Sean. Lalagay ko sa kwarto ko to.
Ay,
Sobrang sip-sip ng under eh.
oo. Ay, andito si Jeko. Ay,
Wala kasi akong ganito, guys.
She's here, so yeah, she's watching. So hi.
And who is the next victim?
So we have Mr. World Quezon City.
May dapat binatay si Mr. World Quezon City. Thank you so much, Mr. Quezon City.
Madaming taon.
Very sure. Are you ready for your question?
I am ready, yes.
Actually, the questions were on the paper that you picked up from the floor. Thank you so much for getting that for us. I was just, let's say, throwing a Hail Mary earlier. But hey, are you ready for, okay,
Yes, I am.
actually yours is not a question.
Okay.
This is perfect for you. I want you to complete this sentence,
Let's do it.
okay? Being a gentleman means,
Being a gentleman means knowing your responsibility and using a platform to empower not only yourself, but the people around you, especially the community that you're part of, and ultimately fostering a beautiful nation altogether.
wala pa. Di ay kawawa, walang makita.
Parang bigla yung... Parang nag-iisa na lang yung kamay ni IG. Nakatago yung isa sa isa. Nag-guard bigla yung mata.
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you're just as excited as we are because our competition is about to shift into high gear.
Fairness, Lord, fairness.
Maganda.
Ay, nadula.
A special performance by the newest people group in town, bringing fresh talent, vibrant energy, and an undeniable stage presence. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Yuna!
don't act like you forgot.
Who do you think will win our best informal wear?
So, I think the judges are really having a difficult time. Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to meet your best informal wear? Shall we all do the honors? Our best informal wear, informal evening wear goes to... Goes to... 3, 2, and... Baguio City! We've given all the awards for all the challenges, and that leaves us with just a few more spots, and one of them belongs to you, Quezon City!
Walang tsak na yan, mami.
Ngayon magkakalaman. Ngayon
Popular vote and
Sa inyo na lahat ng award.
Yeah.
How does male pageants redefine male masculinity, particularly for modern-day Filipino gentlemen?
Thank you for that wonderful question. So modern day, male pageants have shaped on how we view our. So it has changed how we view male pageantry because we have been so focused on the outer appearance of people today. And I believe that male pageantry has given us that new outer look on how we should see what beauty is. Because I believe that if you are beautiful inside and out, you will be able to shine your best and become the best version of yourself. And I thank you.
In my personal opinion, I think the biggest lesson that we have learned really is to who we elect on the leaders. We should also always elect leaders that have values such as integrity, accountability, and of course service, because that will put trust on the people. It's not about popularity. It's about giving service to the people. Because at the end of the day, the government should serve the people first. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Very well said, Mr. World Manila.
Violence against women remains a serious issue around the world. What would you do if you see a woman being abused in public? How will you approach the situation the best way you know how?
Yes, you're correct. It's a very unfortunate situation that we live in where women do face violence around the world. If I were to see a woman facing abuse in public, I would instantly step in, remove her from the situation, and try to get her help. There are many services that help women flee abusive situations in the household. Sometimes women have no choice because they're reliant on maybe their husband, or maybe there's a child in the family, so it's difficult for them to leave. So having that understanding of why they're still in that situation is important so that we can adequately take them out and give them the resources they need. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Philcom Community of Canada.
Now let's go on Mr. World, Quezon City.
Hello, Mr. World, Quezon City.
Hi everybody, hi Tracy.
Please quickly judge from the bowl.
This question is very timely. Many countries want stricter rules on children using social media. Do you think social media should be regulated because it can affect children's health and well-being? Why or why not?
You know, we can't deny the fact that social media has connected people all across the globe. It is important, and it has become a vital tool for not only connecting people, but for education, for business, for people to thrive in this community. I believe we must also discern situations where children must be regulated from using social media. So I think it is a case-to-case basis. We can, however, regulate their usage, but we need also stricter implementation via, of course, the families that can help regulate their social media use. Ultimately, social media is a tool that we can use, that we can also foster for a better and more beautiful country overall. Thank you.
Ano masasabi?
Mr. World,
Oo. Natutunan niya talaga yung mga tinuro ko.
Tinuro mo.
And National Director of Mr. World Gold.
our first runner-up is... Do you guys know who the first runner-up is? Our first runner-up is... Quezon City!
Level ko, second, first, tapos Miss World.
Wala na. Oh my God!
Si Ariel naman.
Yan.
Ariel Ramalya.
Meron pa. Isa ka pa.
John Fernando.
Lalia!
Ay, hindi. World yan. Judge lang ako, judge. I'm a judge.
Babae mag-ID kasi si Madam. Tiyaw. Hindi, pretty kasi si babae. Tapos pag nakatalikad, ay, Kaylin, harap. Ayos, Serisa.
Pauwi na kami, kakalukuhan kami.
Bakit ka naman nagpa-boycott?
Bakit me?
Tama sa Chinese yan. Tiga mo. Karating ko. Huwag kang pogo.
Ay naman. Anong ano niya?
Sabi niya ayun kay Romy daw. Namiss ko na ni Jeko. Yung buhok mo sa personal, sabi ko, ano mas umagal? Malakas mo pa Emilio Aguinaldo. Mas bumagay, pero kanina, sabi mo, umarap ka sabi mo, may pagkagat.
May galit.
First meet up niya na kay LDR.
Go na!
First time na. Abangan. Mr. World Rehas.
Ay!
Hindi ako yun. Ay, yung mga person sa Manila. Hindi yung nag-meet up kayo ng LDR.
Nag-meet up kayo ng LDR.
Ay, Garaw. Ayan. Saan po ka? Saan po kayo nagmating? Ano mo yung mga wordings mo? Hindi na po nag-song. Newport. Dapat pangabas ang boses mo na, kasi ang laki mo pa. Kaya naman.
Hi! Maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to. At kung natuwa ka, please don't forget to like and share this video. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo para bongga na. Yun lang.